Uh, Good morning. I'm at Naturtarian Farm, and you see it's so peaceful, green, and I'm sitting on my machan. And I thought I'll make another video for whatever happening in the world, because I think a lot of people are going under depression. They're scared to death, and a lot of negativity around, and a lot of depression, and a lot of forcing by so-called, you know, the authorities. And I see everybody, all corrupt businesses taking advantage of the situation, and people are actually getting poisoned physically and mentally, really. So I think it's a great opportunity for people to understand natural lifestyle and natural diet and live peacefully. That way they will not just keep themselves healthy, but also keep the environment and nature preserved and protected. It is all the unnatural habits of humans that it is causing all these issues. The earth is really not able to accept the way the humans are living, and that's why you see the chaos all around, whether it's triggered by some people sitting at somewhere top, the deep state as people call it, or the humans themselves, right? No, I wanted to tell you very basic things, that why few things happen in the body. Okay, people say fever and cough and smell, and sense of smell and taste, and pains, and all sorts of things, the vomiting and the diarrhea. These are all, and I've been talking about in many videos and social media, that these are all your detox symptoms. These are all cleansing effects of the body, self-initiated by the body, because we don't eat our natural diet. Humans are not eating natural diet. They are eating 3-4 times cooked foods, all denatured foods. Okay, heavily cooked, heavily processed, and dense foods. Okay, grains. They are very dense, and you heavily process them and eat them 3-4 times in a day. They are starch. The human body is not designed to digest starch. Okay, it can't digest raw starch. It can't digest the cooked starch also 200%, right? And that too much of it, right? Our need is simple sugars, which is there in the natural fruits and some vegetables, right? And they're alkaline to the body. All grains, all meats, all pulses, oils, all fried foods, eggs and dairy, these are all unnatural foods. Yes, they came into human food for survival, and the earlier people probably were eating that in very moderation. That's why they lived longer. But nowadays, you see in the cities and even in anywhere, people are stuffing themselves with grains 3-4 times in a day. Grains, fried food, meats, dairy, fried fish, processed foods, Coke, Pepsi, Maggie, junk, pizzas, burgers, everything they are stuffing themselves with 3-4 times a day. Now, when you're eating all of this, I know doctors talk about it really. They think whatever you put inside the body has no effect on your body. That's absolutely wrong. Your diseases are happening inside the body, and what you're putting inside the body is your food, and that is 90% of the reasons that your body is not able to function properly. Okay, there's nothing from outside. Yes, polluted air is one of the causes, but that's like less. But what you're putting inside the body is dying. It has to work so much hard to digest it really. And when it's not able to digest what you're putting 3 times, 4 times in a day, the food becomes toxic inside, and the toxins remain in your body. And body actually starts this detoxification, natural detoxification on its own. And that's why it gives you fever. Okay, it says, okay, lie down for 3-4 days, don't eat much, just relax, let me do my process, let me do my cleansing. Don't stop this process. There's no virus in it, right? It is only a self-initiated cleansing mechanism. The fever, the cough, the hardened mucus inside, all your acidic foods, like all cooked foods, grains, dairy, meats, they're all acid forming, and body releases mucus to really protect you from those acids, right? And the mucus gets accumulated. It needs to go out eventually one day. That is why it comes in the form of cold and cough, especially during season change. And it's during the season change people are saying there are some viruses, etc., and all of that. right? And they are testing everybody and saying you have this virus and that virus. And this has been happening for many 100 years, not just this time, right? That every time you have a cough or a fever, it's a viral fever. You don't catch any viruses from outside. It is all your inside chemistry which is wrong. Okay, I've been for years have not gotten a single cough or a flu, right? I eat natural diet, stay in natural environment, right? So I'm saying that don't get fooled by some industry which wants to make profit out of your sickness. Just think what you're eating. You have so many awakened people I come across on Facebook and various groups on WhatsApp and Telegrams, etc. They're all against these chemicals or injecting vaccines or doing them fraud testing, etc. They're all against all of this. But what they don't understand, what they're putting inside the body is still wrong. Eating grains, too many of grains is wrong. It's wrong food. That is why you get flu. You don't get any flu also if you are on a natural diet, because the body doesn't have to do anything. So correct your food habits first. Okay, eat more of a natural diet and less of man-made cooked diets and all junk fried foods and everything. I mean, you may be awakening people from this fraud of vaccines and everything, etc. But at the same time, you are eating fried fish or fried foods of vada pav and chole bhature and samosas in India, and burgers and donuts and pizzas and all of that junk food in any other Western countries or even in India. What do you think is going to happen to you? You will fall sick. It's not falling sick. The body wants break from that nonsense, and body wants to cleanse it out itself in the form of all those symptoms which happen, the fever and the cough. If it doesn't happen, then you will die earlier instead. Because it needs to cleanse out. It needs to throw out. You don't have to do anything. Let the body do its work. Body never does anything wrong with it. Okay. So don't get scared. Don't get fooled by a propaganda of somebody who wants to make profit and wants to control you. Just relax in nature and eat more of natural diet, and you'll be fine. And that way, even environment would be good. Okay, just understand that first. The grains are not human food. You can eat some little amount as a survival food, but I mean, if you eat 3 times a day, it is going to give you issues. It is going to get accumulated in your body, whether vegetarian, vegan, or non-vegans. Okay, you all are wrong. Period. But switch to a natural diet, you're never going to get any virus in life. Okay, all the best. I hope you understood this